Veda, okay, you are selected, you have got selected, congratulations, that's okay. But after joining in the company, intern, what will be your duty? What will you be doing there? What do you expect now?
So
Exactly, you might not be knowing that.
No, okay, I know. I have a good idea.
Hmm.
Initially, I would be working on due diligence cases.
Due diligence means I
Due
don't know.
diligence means evaluating different startups and firms where you could possibly invest in them.
Okay.
Just evaluating how they're performing financially, how
Huh.
they're performing in terms of their operational networks, what are their future goals or ambition, their risks, comparing them with industry standards. Just an overall analysis of the company or a firm, how it looks in terms of investing in it. Initially, you do due diligence cases. It is more work intensive. You don't have to think much. You just have to get the data. After that, you work on strategy and restructuring cases. Basically, you have clients, which are these famous huge companies you see every day. They come to you with problems. They
Achha.
can be like, we are facing a drop, we are facing losses, profits have decreased, or our customers are saturated, the customer numbers are not increasing, profits are there,
Achha.
but the customer number is not increasing.
Acha.
Or they can say, we want to introduce this new product, where do you
Achha.
think we should do it? If we do it here, is it profitable?
So such kind of doubts and
They come to us, we have to
Achha.
make
Yes.
give them answers, we have to give them analysis. If
Okay.
they ask, should we enter into this country, we
Okay.
will analyze what the market is like, how much they might earn in 1-2 years to break even, how much they need to, and how many years it will take, all those kinds of cases.
Acha.
And if they want to merge
Then
with
you
the
have to show your intelligence. You need not to disclose such certain things, I think. No?
So
Some
we
techniques.
don't give solutions to the company. We have to be smart. We can't tell you do this, you do that. We will give them data. We're like, you do what you think is right, but this is what is going to happen.
Acha.
You don't advise them. You give them everything they need to know to make a decision.
If they want to hire you privately, suppose privately if they want to hire you, you please raise our sales or raise our customers or
Private there are companies who have consultants. There are, I think, MasterCard companies came to a campus also to hire consultants.
Acha.
They work just for the company. That is a separate job.
Acha.
But so yeah, usually when you work in consulting industry, sometimes you work on cases specific to an industry for a long amount of time. I talked to a senior at Stratton who has worked in fashion industry for 3 years. So now she can easily go to a high level strategic position at Nykaa, Myntra or any of those positions.
Acha.
Because she knows everything about that industry now. So if you want to go into this industry's specific companies, you can. That is why consulting is good, because it
So
gives
you need to make a complete study of particular company if they come
not
to you, isn't
necessary.
it?
You can do multiple also.
Acha.
But it has good exit options because you gain a lot of knowledge about various industries throughout your time at consulting.
Acha. Okay. That's nice. Right. Hope. All the best. Wish you all the best
Thank you.
for your future. Good future.